everybody, what's up? My name's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. I have been missing in action. I feel like I say that in every video, but the truth is, if you don't know who I am, I'm a reseller. So I find really cool things to flip online. And the great thing about being a self-employed person, owning your own business, is that I can work as much or as little as I want. I am a mom of two very active boys who are in sports. And the whole reason that I do this business, besides the fact that I love doing it, is that I have ample amount of time to be available for my kiddos. And so it's been a busy season. We have football and soccer. We had our Halloween carnival, which if you're a viewer who's been around for a bit, you know that last year I did the haunted house at my kids' carnival. It's the biggest fundraising event of the year for my kids' school. And this year, I don't know what's wrong with me. I guess I'm a glutton for punishment. I decided to take it on again for my younger son's class. So, been really busy, but I am still reselling and I am still making content. But, you know, this is why I signed up for this. This is why I don't work a 9-to-5 job, so that I can do this work when it fits into my schedule and my kids' schedule. So, I hope you will forgive me. Thank you for all the sweet messages, people reaching out saying they've missed me and that, you know, they were just checking in on me, but I am great. Life is wonderful. It's just crazy. And saying that, about 6 months ago, I put out a video, I think it was 6 months ago, saying I was done with ThredUp. And I'm not done with ThredUp. I just bought a shoebox for, I think it was $70 for 15 pairs of shoes. I blame my girlfriends because in our little text group, someone said they were getting a ThredUp box. Somebody said they were going to get one too. And so I bought a shoebox. Don't know if it's a great idea, but I haven't been able to go sourcing because I've been so busy. And this is an option for you if you're a reseller and you either don't have great inventory in your area, can't get inventory, have to travel far, your schedule's busy. This comes straight to your doorstep. ThredUp is an online consignment store. You can actually send in your own items. You won't get a lot of money back. They used to have a lot higher payouts, but and some resellers made their career on ThredUp, but people don't do that anymore because the payouts are so low. But they still have these mystery boxes, and the mystery boxes are either things that did not sell on their site or they're items that were too damaged to sell. So I got a shoebox. So these could be slightly damaged, heavily damaged, perfect, whatever condition. They could be all kinds of brands. I did not choose a size. And this will be a collaboration video with two of my favorite reseller friends. That is Tanya from Double T's Treasures. She's local to me, lives close. She's amazing and funny and just love her to death. And one of our best girlfriends, Jessie, aka Gorgeous, who does not live nearby but comes here often to see us. And she is a TikTok star. So if you don't know who she is, I will have both of their videos linked in the description below so you can go and check them out too. See what kind of boxes they got. Now, we ordered these all at the same time. Not sure where Jessie's box came from, but I know that Tanya and I, and we do live close to each other, both got boxes from Georgia. So my box came pretty quickly. Tanya's came, I think, the day before mine. And then Jessie had to wait a little bit longer. So you can compare and see what each of us got from ordering the same day when the shoe boxes went available. So let's get in the shoes and see if this box was worth me paying $70. First pair out of the box are a pair of sneakers. They are white sneakers. They are Adidas, white laces, white all over with some gold detail here. Moderately clean. I use acetone on the bottom of shoes, sneakers, to clean them. So that shouldn't be a problem. These are called the Adidas Sleek. And I will pop up comps on the screen of average sales in the last 90 days on Poshmark or eBay. I do sell on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Etsy if it's vintage or antique. So these are US size 7.5, and they're fairly clean. I don't particularly like cleaning shoes, but I'll do it, especially if they're going to bring me some money. So hopefully these will be good. This brand, but I will sell them. They are Nina. These are just like a department store style shoe, but they are suede. Let's see if these are real suede. Oh, lady got to grab her reading glasses. So made in China, and I don't think that, it's hard to tell, but I'm not sure that these are real suede, but they are a cute style, very reminiscent of the 1940s. And I love these muted tones. So I'll definitely list those. And these are a size 6. All right, next up we have, okay, these are cute, and these are very in right now, y'all. If you do not know, for fall and winter 2023, 2024, loafers are so in, especially these ones that have a little bit of a platform. These are, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them, Madewell. So they are all leather. Bottoms look fairly clean. Again, I'll just clean them up a little bit. These are a size 7. So I'm happy with these. These are nice and they're still in good condition. By the way, you can get some Doc Martin Wonder Balsam from Amazon to moisturize leather, and they clean up real nice. Now these I probably will not list. These are just some like cheap sandals by X Appeal, so not really worth it. So that's in my donate pile. These are cute, but I don't know if I'm gonna list them. I'm gonna check the comps. These are J. Crew, which I really like J. Crew, and they are, I'm guessing probably pony hair or calf hair, but they're in a leopard print. But the problem with, let me put my glasses on again. So the problem with these type of shoes is they do lose some of the hair. So as you can see right there, it's kind of bald right there. So in the bottoms, the leather bottoms are pretty beat up. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with these yet. These are in the maybe, but I will check comps on them. Okay, I can tell right away that these are not the greatest quality, but they're super clean. So yeah, they're definitely not real leather. Let's see if they have a brand. And the unfortunate thing is these have no brand name. So they're in good condition. But I don't know that I'm gonna bother with them just because I don't know. I'll Google lens them. They could be like something like Shein or something like that. So those will go in the donate pile probably, unless I find out something new before this video comes out. Okay, let's see. These are cute. They are Steve Madden. However, they are just polyurethane, faux leather, faux snakeskin. I mean, clean. So I would guess probably like 15 bucks on these. So I may list them depending on how many I have total in the box to list. But I'll definitely check comps. Next up, what do we have? Okay, I have sold this brand. Again, this is just a department store brand. It's called Naturalizer. The ones I sold were a size 11, so that's why I listed them. They're in okay condition. They're a 9.5, but these are fabric and the bottoms are just man-made. They're kind of clean, except for there is this one spot right here. So these will probably go in the donate pile. Okay, these are just some basic Asics running shoes. They are fairly clean, won't take much to clean up. The soles don't look really worn, like somebody ran on them too much. And then the inside definitely needs to be clean too. This is called the Gel Fit Nova. These are also a 7.5. A lot of 7s and 7.5s in here. So I wonder if one person donated all these. So I will probably list these because they'll sell, not for a lot, but you know, we're trying to recoup a little bit of money and make a little profit if possible. Okay, these are Winter Chicken Dinner. These, I know this brand. It is M. Jimmy. These are some little mules with an open back, little kitten heels on it. This brand is handmade in Italy. They do have leather bottoms. This is a size 37.5, and they usually retail for maybe $300-400. So I'll definitely list these and hope to get like maybe 50 bucks after I clean them up. They are suede, so I'll just take a suede brush to them, and I like the cute little buckle detail too. So these are definitely my favorite so far. Okay, this is a brand I used to swear by, and this is the more specialty style. It's the Clark Artisan. These are very vintage inspired. My friend Bob from Bob Buys would absolutely love these. They do have some scuffing on the heels, but I can clean that up. These are most likely going to be leather. Yeah, they're leather upper, and then the balance of the bottoms are rubber and man-made, obviously, on the heel. So I will definitely list these. I've had really good luck with the Clark's Artisan. I don't pick them up a whole lot anymore, but these styles are fun and usually have like a vintage inspired look to them. So I'm excited for these. These will be good for the season too. And next up is, you know, a pretty cheap brand. This brand is called Soda. They look brand new, like they were hardly worn. I mean, there is a little wear. Well, maybe they were worn. These are at 8.5, but again, these are one of those shoes that are all man-made materials. So depending on what the comps are on my favorite shoes, I may donate them. My goal, if you haven't been here for a bit, is to work less. So I am not a high volume seller. So I don't go to the bins all the time and get items for $1, $1.50, $2 a piece. I'm usually willing to pay up $5, $6, $7 for an item. And then in return, I try to sell items for 40 or above. And that way I don't have to work as much. I'm not listing as much inventory. I'm not photographing, measuring, steaming, storing, you know. And so generally what I'll do with these mystery boxes is I will list first anything that's going to make me my money plus profit. And if I make a large enough profit on it, I don't bother with the small stuff. I'll just donate it because it's not really worth my time. Now, that's not to say if you do list everything that you're wrong or that I'm putting you down. This is just what works for me because I have a limited amount of time to be a business owner and a mom. So that's what I choose to do. And so I will list all the ones that I know are going to make me money first and hopefully make a profit. If I don't, then I can list these other ones that are going to make $10, $15, $20 a piece and fill in where the other shoes lack. But if I'm able to make a nice profit off this box without having to list all the other ones that aren't going to make as much return, then I'm not going to do it. Okay, now I will list these. You're going to be like, but Victoria, those are Target. Yes, they are Target. They are these little sandals, but you know, some people like to shop at Target and they have a style that they really, really like, and then they sell out and they don't make them anymore. These are going to be all man-made, but they're super cute and they're brand new with tags. So this is an example of a lower price item that I will list because I feel like it's going to sell. So these will get listed. All right, just two more. Okay, this is not bad. They're cute. So these are platform sneakers with a floral design on them, and the brand is Halogen. Halogen is sold at Nordstrom. The only thing I would say about these is there is some wear here where it, you know, it's kind of cracking. The bottoms are pretty clean. I'll clean those with acetone. I'll still list these because they're a really cute style. But they definitely have a little bit of wear to them. The insides, let's see what these are made out of. So these are leather uppers. So that means the design is leather. So I may try to condition it and see if that kind of helps a little bit with this cracking, but we'll see. And I'll just list it in the listing. And yeah, hopefully that goes good. Okay, last up, and certainly the best pair for sure, are these adorable little sandals. You see that emblem right there. You probably know what it is already. It's Tory Burch. So these are, again, a 7.5. They do have a significant wear on the bottom, but if I clean these up, they won't be too bad. And these do have some heel wear too, which isn't too great, but I'll just note it in the listing. You can kind of see where someone has worn it, and you know, however they put the pressure on their feet, it kind of wears the sole a little bit. But they're still really cute. They're a patent leather, nude color or taupe, whatever you want to call it. And so yeah, I will definitely list these Tory Burch. This is probably the winner in it. Not that exciting of a box, I have to say. My girlfriends, hopefully they got better boxes, because mine was not the best. And I've kind of heard a little bit about what they got, so hoping, fingers crossed, that they did a little better than me. But I'm happy. I will definitely at least make my money back. I think overall with ThredUp, my experience over the years, more so in the past, because I used to get a lot more ThredUp boxes, but even now, I've never had a box where I just flat out lost money. I've always made at least a little bit of a profit. Some profits are larger, but you know, generally overall, it's been a good experience. The last box I got, which I said was going to be my last box, was a fun box, and I've made a profit on that one. So overall, pretty happy. But I'm generally a happy person anyway. I try to see the positive in every situation. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming and watching. Don't forget to watch my girlfriend's videos. They will be linked in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more soon, I promise. Now that football, we had our last game this week. Soccer for one of my kids will slow down within the next month. And but then we have the holidays, so maybe, I don't know. I'm going to try to be better about making content here on YouTube and on Instagram. But yeah, so thank you all again for checking in on me. Like I said, I'm doing great. And if you don't believe me that I've been busy, I have not been thrifting with my girlfriends in quite a while. So Tanya and Alicia both continue to go thrifting without me, but hopefully that'll change soon, because I sure miss them. And I can't wait to make them hug me, because they don't like to hug and I love to hug. So anyway, thank you guys for coming. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to do that on the way out, and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, so more people will see it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.